Hello, friends. I ate this weekend for 3 days and lost so much. If you're looking for something healthy, a healthy diet to help you lose your calories, your belly fat so fast, this is the best healthy salad diet you want to go for to rapidly lose your calories and your belly fat. So, the first thing you need is chicken. So this is one chicken breast that I shredded, and I'll share with you the recipe at the end. So if you're interested, watch till the end to see the recipe on how I came up with the chicken, how I boiled the chicken. So now the second thing you need is avocados. So this is kind of a protein salad to foil your system with energy to burn fat, protein, healthy fat salad. So avocados are loaded with high amounts of proteins and healthy fats, the amino acids you need to foil your system with energy to burn fat. So you don't feel stuffed and hungry. Your system needs to be foiled up to burn fat, and avocados do the job so well. So what you need is one avocado. You want to get your avocado peel, slice up. Avocado equally contains a lot of vitamins and minerals your system needs for proper functioning. Plus, this is very filling. It equally has a lot of dietary fiber to fill you up so you don't feel hungry and help you lose your calories, your belly fat so fast. So, plus, this is a very healthy salad recipe, very healthy vegetable salad recipe you want to incorporate in your life if you're looking for something healthy as well. So, I basically just slice up the salad into square shapes, the avocado into square shapes, and set that aside. Yeah, so that is the first ingredient. The second is tomato. So you want to get your one tomato, wash and slice up as well. This is equally very good to facilitate fast fat burning. Tomato equally has some good acids to help you flush bad acids in your tummy and cleanse your tummy for you, give your tummy a thorough cleanse. And equally very healthy, contains a lot of dietary fiber as well you need to help you burn your fat as well so fast. This boosts your metabolism. So, and it equally contains a lot of vitamins and minerals like vitamin C, vitamin A. Eating this will leave your skin so healthy from the inside. You always look vibrant and youthful as well. So this is the one tomato sliced, and yeah, you want to set that aside. This is very important. These are green onions. These are very good at helping fortify your liver to burn your fat for you so fast. It is green, contains good amount of chlorophyll, and boost your metabolism as well. This is very healing as well. So what you need, you keep the bottom part and use to make your stir fries with, or whatever you need vegetables from. You just need this part of the green part of it. So you want to get and slice up into tiny little sizes. This is so good, plus it makes the salad taste so yummy, very cleansing, and very good for fat burning. Yeah, so these are green onions. So now once you slice that, you set that aside as well, very yummy. And now you want to add in some carrots. This is very filling, very filling. This is pure dietary fiber. So you remember, you want to eat something that will fill you up and help you burn fat so you don't feel hungry to eat any other thing that is bad and contains a lot of bad calories. This is so good. This is so filling but with less calories. The beta carotene in carrots, very healthy for your system, your liver, your organs to function properly and help you burn your fat so fast. This is so healthy. So what I do is I always just add in a little bit of hot water just to tame the carrot so it gets crunchy but not really hard. I hope you get. I don't want it really raw, like raw, but I just add in hot water and instantly just throw the water so it is still crunchy but not really raw. Yeah, so depending on you, that is preference. And I add in another source of protein, which is egg. I add in one egg in here to make it so filling. You remember, this is what you're eating, so you don't feel like eating any other thing, and that way you have less calories in your system, and you foil your system with the energy it needs to burn all the excess fats in you. That is a secret. That is a biological secret that has worked for years, and I tried this, and trust me, I am so amazed. Watch till the end. You will see my tummy at the end when I was eating for the third day I did this. You will see my tummy on the third day. This is day one. I was still doing this, and day three, you will see my tummy. This is tested and trusted. I've tried this recipe for long, and it is so good. So you just want to get your salad bowl, add your avocado in the salad bowl, add your chicken, add the carrots in case you missed. That is one avocado, two carrots, your one chicken breast shredded, and this is the green onions. That is four green onions and one tomato, one egg, and this is it. You're good. So basically, I just add in a pinch of salt. This is how I do my dressing. I add in a pinch of salt for taste in there, and once I add in a pinch of salt, I add in a pinch of black pepper as well. So that is black pepper, a pinch of black pepper to have it taste yummy, and I add in some lemon as well, a teaspoon of lemon juice to help with the fat burning. And this is my dressing. Remember, this is fat burning, so everything in here is to help you burn fat. So that is a teaspoon of lemon juice and honey. So this is a teaspoon of honey as well. So you want to add in a teaspoon of honey, and I will be adding a tablespoon of olive oil at the end. So once I add in the honey, I try to mix this first together before adding 1 tablespoon of olive oil. So this is the olive oil. You just add in your olive oil. This is wonderful and tastes so good, very good, and it will fill you up and have you burn your fat so fast, so yummy. You don't feel like you're suffering to lose weight. I eat, enjoy myself, dance throughout the day, and watch my belly fat all gone, and like, this is so nice. So this is the recipe for the chicken. This is the chicken breast. You want to get your chicken breast and add some salt, a teaspoon of salt, add a teaspoon of black pepper in your pot for taste. You want to really have this taste good. That is a teaspoon of ginger as well, so it tastes good in your salad. And this is chicken bouillon. This is a tablespoon of chicken bouillon. And now garlic, a teaspoon of garlic, and that is it. You want to add in water, not a lot of water, a cup of water. So you don't add in too much water, you add just enough, 1 cup of water, so it doesn't dilute your ingredients, and it gets this to taste so well. So on low heat, you want to just boil this on low heat, so the spice get into your chicken and it tastes so good. So once you're done, allow it to cool down, and you're good to make your salad with this. Enjoy and watch that belly fat all gone, and get your body back all nice and in shape. This is so healthy. You need just one chicken breast for this. You can leave the order for the next bowl you're making, and trust me, you will be so happy with this. So yummy. Yeah, so share this video with your family and friends. Come back and tell me your results, and I will see you again in my next video. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and bye.